So this is a two-part video. The first part is going to show you the full instructions for the iClicker 2 in case you lost them or you need to just look back at something for instructions. And then at the very end of this video, I want to help you troubleshoot and fix the iClicker 2 or even the iClicker 1, the original model, if for whatever reason it stopped working or it just randomly shuts down. So here's the instructions, and yes, I'm sorry, school's starting back for a lot of you. So here's the instructions. Here's page 1, and then you could just pause this video to get to page 1. This is page 2 right here. Go ahead and pause it if you need to look at how to use the iClicker 2 or the iClicker 1. And then on the right here, here's for the technical support with radio and all that stuff. I'll show you that real quick. That's this page here that talks about radio communications and what to do. Okay, and without further ado, as far as the battery not working any longer, so the iClicker 2 only takes 2. It takes the 2 AAA batteries here. So it only takes 2 of them. And then the iClicker 1 actually takes 3. And what you might not realize is with the iClicker 1, and yes, some of you still may be using the iClicker 1 with your class, a lot of times the battery, there'll be another one that's in the upper compartment, which would be right here on the iClicker 1. So you have to just double check to make sure that there's not a third battery that's hidden under here. Because if you change and put new batteries out here, there's one hidden. So go ahead and check that if you have the iClicker 1. If you have the iClicker 2 or the 1 and it just powers down, remember that there's no really off on this. So if you don't turn it off or it's in your book bag, what will happen is it could stay on, and even if you got new batteries, they can wear out pretty quick on these iClickers. So make sure that you change the batteries out and check for a third battery. Alright, enjoy your year. Hope you have a good rest of your day.